Okay, so if you go through the image which I had sent you yesterday, we stopped at question number 9 because it was taking too much amount of time. I did the locus method, but then that method was a bit on the lengthier side. Okay, so question number 9 from exercise number 1. Okay, yesterday's image. Find the coordinates of the point which is at a distance of 2 units from 5 comma 4 and 10 units from 11 comma minus 2. Okay, so there is one point P x comma y. There is A 5 comma 4 and there is B 11 comma minus 2. Okay, now AP is equal to 2. They have given in the problem AP is equal to 2, right? So we'll find out AP using distance formula. Okay, so 5 minus x, you can also write x minus 5, not a problem. 5 minus x, and this is 4 minus y the whole square. Okay, right? So squaring both the sides. So 5 minus x the whole square plus 4 minus y the whole square is equal to 4. Okay, now expand this. 25 plus x square minus 10x plus 16 plus y square minus 8y equal to 4. Okay, so I'll just keep x square plus y square term on one side and all the other terms I'll shift it on the right hand side. So 10x plus 8y. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm taking this minus 10x and minus 8y on the right hand side. Okay, now this is 4. So 25 plus 16, which is 41, and 4 minus 41, that is minus 37. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Length of AP is equal to 2. It's given in the problem. Okay. Now I will start with length of BP. Length of BP is equal to 10. Okay. BP is equal to 10. Now again I'm going to apply distance formula. 11 minus x the whole square and minus 2 minus y the whole square. 11 minus x the whole square plus minus 2 minus y the whole square equal to 10. Squaring both the sides. 11 minus x the whole square plus, I'll take minus sign common over here. 2 plus y the whole square equal to 100. Okay. So expand this. 121 plus x square minus 22x. Minus square is always positive. 4 plus y square plus 4y equal to 100. Again, I'm going to keep x square plus y square terms on the left hand side. Okay. Minus 22x and 4y I will keep on the right hand side. So 22x minus 4y. Okay. Now 100. 121 plus 4, that is 125. 100 minus 125. On the right hand side, 100 minus 125, that is minus 25. So this will be equation number 2. This will be equation number 2. Now what I will do is I'll do 2 minus 1. I'll subtract both the equations. I'm solving simultaneously. 2 minus 1. So x square plus y square is equal to 22x minus 4y minus 25. And x square plus y square is equal to 10x plus 8y minus 37. 10x plus 8y minus 37. So I'm subtracting this. So this and this is gone. Okay. So this is 0. Okay. And this is 12x minus 12y plus 12. Okay, so take 12 common. So this gives you x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to y minus 1. We got the value of x as y minus 1. So now you'll put this value of x in, you'll put this value of x. See guys, x is nothing but the x coordinate of P and y is nothing but the y coordinate of P. Okay, abscissa and ordinate of P. So you can put this in any one of the equations. You can put this in any one of the equations. So put x is equal to y minus 1 in equation number 1. Okay, what is equation number 1? X square plus y square equal to 10x plus 8y minus 37. So x square plus x is y minus 1, y minus 1 the whole square plus y square 10 into y minus 1 plus 8y minus 37. Okay, so you may solve this y square plus 1 minus 2y plus y square 10y minus 10 plus 8y minus 37. Okay, you'll get a quadratic 2y square minus 2y minus 10, that is minus 12y minus 8. So minus 20y this is going to be. Okay, and right hand side this is minus 47. It will go on the left hand side, it will become plus 47 plus 47 plus 1, that is equal to 48. So this can be reduced by 2. Okay, now we are going to factorize this. Y minus 6 minus 4 y minus 6. Okay, so y is equal to 4 or y is equal to 6. Okay, x is equal to y minus 1. So when y is equal to 4, x is equal to 3, and when y is equal to 6, x is equal to 5. So point P can be 3 comma 4 and 5 comma 6. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood the solution of this. So guys, any feedback? Have you understood this? It is better than that locus method. Any response? You understood this or okay, fine. So let's go to the next question, that is question number 10. Okay, two vertices of an isosceles triangle are 2 comma 0 and 2 comma 5. 2 comma 0 and 2 comma 5. The length of the equal sides is 3. Okay, now see, I'll draw this isosceles triangle. Let this be 3, let this be 3. This third vertex we don't know. Let it be x comma y. 2 comma 0 and 2 comma 5. Okay, this is the diagram. Now many students ask me, sir, this can be 3 and this also can be 3. Don't take 3 over here. Okay, then the reasoning over here is you apply distance formula from here to here. Is it 3? That you need to check. So that will be root of 2 minus 2 the whole square and 0 minus 5 the whole square. So this is not equal to 3. So you cannot take this as 3. You cannot take this as 3. I hope you understood. Fine. Okay, so I have given you the reason why we cannot take it as 3. So this is 3 and this is 3, right? Now let this be A, B, and C. A, B, and C, right? Now AB is equal to 3. So root of x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square is equal to 3. Distance formula for AB. Squaring both the sides, x minus 2 the whole square plus y square is equal to 9. Okay, expand this. X square plus 4 minus 2x plus y square is equal to 9. So x square plus y square is equal to 2x and 9 minus 4 is 5. Equation number 1. Okay. Now again, AC is also equal to 3. AC is also equal to 3. Root of x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square is equal to 3. Squaring both the sides, x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square is equal to 9. X square minus 2x plus 4 plus y square minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 9. So x square plus y square equal to 2x plus 10y. 2x plus 10y. 25 plus 4 is 29. 9 minus 29 on the right hand side. That is minus 20. Okay, this is going to be minus 20. I think this should be 4x. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, 4x plus 10y minus 20. Yeah, so this is going to be equation number 2. Now again we'll do the same thing that we did in the previous problem. 2 minus 1. So x square plus y square is equal to 4x plus 10y minus 20. X square plus y square is equal to 2x plus 5. Subtract. Okay, this and this is gone. So 0. Okay. Sorry, this is 4x. I did a error over here as well. Sorry. Okay. So this is also gone. And 10y minus 25. Okay. 10y minus 25. So 10y is equal to 25. Y is equal to 25 by 10. 5 by 2. 25 by 10. 5 by 2. Okay. Y is equal to 5 by 2. Correct. Now you can put y is equal to 5 by 2 in any one of the equations. So put in 1. Put in equation number 1. So x square plus 5 by 2 the whole square is equal to 4x plus 5. So x square plus 25 by 4 is equal to 4x plus 5. Take LCM. 4x square plus 25 by 4 is equal to 4x plus 5. 4x square plus 25 is equal to 16x plus 20. 4x square minus 16x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we require 20 over here. We require 20 over here. So, um, can we factorize? First of all, please tell me, can we factorize? We require plus 20 and in between minus 16. So 2 and 10, 2 and 5, we cannot really factorize this. So what we'll do is we'll apply formula method, okay? You apply formula method, which we studied in quadratic equations, and you'll get two different values of x, okay? Because it is plus or minus in between, okay? So by formula method, you'll get one of the values as 2 plus root 11 by 2 and the other value is 2 minus root 11 by 2. So the coordinates of the third vertex over here, this particular vertex will be x comma y. 2 plus root 11 by 2 into comma 5 by 2, and 2 minus root 11 by 2 comma 5 by 2. So these are the two possibilities. Okay. So guys, any feedback? Have you understood this? Have you understood this? Yes or no? Just waiting for your reply. Great. Next one, that is section formula. Internal division formula and external division formula. We'll do that. Okay. So now see, internal division. This is AB. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. This is M and this is N. And this is P. P is not the midpoint of AB. Just note that. So the coordinates of P are mx2. I'll just write it separately. If the coordinates are A and B, so the x coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and the y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay. So this is how we calculate the x coordinate and the y coordinate. This is called as internal division. This is called as internal division. Okay. Fine. External division. External division. This is AB. Okay. And point P is over here with coordinates small a and b. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Okay. So P divides AB externally. So this part is M from here to here. And from here to here it is N. Okay. Here to here it is N. So the ratio of AP and BP is M is to N. Okay. So P divides AB externally. Okay. So A will be mx2 minus nx1 upon m minus n. And B is my2 upon minus ny1 upon m minus n. So this is external division. Just copy this. Correct? Okay, so we'll take up some problems based on this. Now, yesterday we left question number 4 from exercise number 1. Yesterday's image. Exercise 1, question number 4. We'll solve that. Now we have AB. Let A be x1, y1, and the values of A are 3, 5. B x2, y2. The values of B are minus 7, 9. P A and B. Okay. And this A and B are half, 6. It's given in the problem. So we need to find out this ratio m is to n. So P divides line in what ratio is what they're asking. Okay. Now let m is to n equal to k is to 1. Okay. Let it be k is to 1. That's our assumption. Okay. or we can also take m as k and n as 1. Okay, so this is the method. Remember this. Take m as k and n as 1. Fine. So now see, coordinate A, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So what is A? A is half. It's given in the problem. A is half. Okay. M is k, x2. X2 is minus 7. N is 1. X1 is 3 upon k plus 1. Upon k plus 1. Okay. Right. So you are supposed to solve this and get the answer. So k plus 1 is equal to half is equal to minus 7k plus 3 upon k plus 1. So if you solve this, you'll get the value of k as 1 upon 3. Now this is enough. No need to go ahead with the y coordinate, okay? Because we got the value of k. So m is to n equal to k is to 1. It is what is our assumption because m is k and n is 1. So m upon n is equal to 1 by 3 divided by 1 because k ka value is 1 by 3. So m upon n is equal to 1 by 3. So the ratio is m is to n is 1 by 3. Okay, clear? Okay. Question number 11, sub question 1. Okay, so question number 11, sub question 1. Okay, in what ratio is a line joining the points? The 2 points are given divided by the y-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Okay, now there are 2 points 3 comma 4 and minus 2 comma 1. Okay, so it is divided by the y-axis. So y-axis is passing like this somewhere. Okay, so this point is on the y-axis. Since it is on the y-axis, the x coordinate is 0. The x coordinate is 0. Okay, x coordinate is 0. So I'm taking the y coordinate as b. I'm taking the y coordinate as b. Fine. Okay, since this point is dividing the line in a specific ratio, and this point is lying on the y-axis because it is cut by the y-axis. So the y coordinate is 0. Okay, the x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is b, assumed as b, right? So this is m and this is n. Let this be k and let this be 1. Okay, so x coordinate x coordinate is 0 of the point p is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So 0 is equal to m is k. M is assumed to be k. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. So k into minus 2 plus n is 1 into x1 upon k plus 1. Okay, so k plus 1 will go over here. So minus 2k plus 3 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 3 by 2. K is equal to 3 by 2. Now, since we require the y coordinate, so B will be what? My2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay. So m is k, y2. Y2 is 1. Okay. N is also 1. And y1. Y1 is 4 upon k plus 1. Upon k plus 1. Okay. So this will be k plus 4 upon k plus 1. And k value we know. K value is 3 by 2. Just put the value. You will get the value of B, which is the y coordinate of the point, which is the y coordinate of the point. Okay. Which is the y coordinate of the point. Okay. That you can calculate. So it is going to be 11 upon 5. And also they're asking you find the point of division. Okay. Point of division, yes, that is a comma b. A is 0 and b we just have calculated 11 by 5. And the ratio, yes, m is to n equal to k is to 1. Okay, because we took m as k. So m is to n, that is m upon n. K is 3 by 2 divided by 1. So m is to n is equal to 3 by 2. 3 is to 2. Okay, 3 is to 2. Right? Okay, so question number 11, sub question 2, I'm giving for self study. Instead of this, B as, okay, now here the point they have taken as k comma 6, something like this. Okay, so you try this on your own. It will be better for you to practice. Okay, so question number 11, sub question 2, method is same. Take the point as 11, k comma 6. K is the x coordinate, which is a, and 6 is the y coordinate of p, which is b, and solve it. Okay, question number 12. Question number 12. There are three vertices of a triangle ABC. Okay. We need to find out the length of the median through A. So let A be over here at the top. Okay. The coordinates of A are -1, comma 3. Coordinates of B are 1, comma -1, and coordinates of C are 5, comma 1. Okay. The median through A. Let this be D. Median divides the opposite side into, sorry. Yeah, it divides the opposite side into two equal parts. Okay. So basically, we need to find out this length of AD. Okay, so I'll just give you the hint. First, calculate the value of D using midpoint formula. 1 plus 5 upon 2, comma, -1 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so 6 upon 2, that is 3, and this is 0. So 3, comma 0. And then you can find out the length AD using distance formula. So that's pretty simple. Okay. Yeah, so this was the hint for question number 12. Let's go to question number 13 very quickly. Okay, so we are having a vertex of a triangle which is 1, comma 1. Read the question. Read the question. And the midpoints of the two sides through this vertex. So through this vertex, there are these two sides, and they have given the midpoint of these two sides. They have given the midpoint of these two sides. Okay. So what are those midpoints? The midpoint is -1, comma 2 and 3, comma 2. Okay. A, B, and C. And they're asking you the centroid of the triangle. Okay. So basically, we are first going to calculate B. So let B be A, comma B, and C be C comma D. Okay. So since minus 1 comma 2 is the midpoint of AB, so A plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 1. A plus 1 is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 3. Okay. And B plus 1, I'm using midpoint formula. B plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2. Equal to 2. B plus 1 is equal to 4. B is equal to 3. So we got the value of B. Okay. We got the value of B, that is minus 3 comma 3. Similarly, you calculate the value of C. Similarly, you calculate the value of C. Okay. Using the midpoint formula. Now, what you have to do is take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2, and whatever you calculate C, you take it as x3, y3. Then you apply the centroid formula. The centroid is the intersection of all the medians. Okay. It is the intersection of all the medians. So centroid of this particular triangle will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. That will be the formula for the centroid. But then prior to that, calculate the value of C. Similarly to whatever we had done for B. Okay. So that was the last question of this particular session. Have you understood, guys?